Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying your baseline vision with a licensed eye professional. This protects your eyes and records progress. Once done, set realistic goals and commit to daily practice. Make sure to track symptoms like headaches. Begin immediate, safe steps. Practice palming for 2 to 5 minutes to relax focus, then do 10 minutes of near-to-far focus shifts. Use a timer and log results. This creates measurable progress and keeps you accountable. Now intensify with targeted training that improves focus and eye teaming. You do pencil push-ups and near-far switching to train accommodation and convergence. Continue for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 times daily. Vary pace and distances to challenge the system. Complement with the 20-20-20 break rule during screens, and prioritize outdoor time because natural light supports visual development. Make sure to limit strenuous tasks to finish, transition by testing slightly reduced correction only under your clinician's plan. This prevents strain. Once you try lower power for short, controlled periods, reassess weekly with chart readings and your symptom diary to measure tolerance. If improvement stabilizes, extend wear time slowly. If you hit plateaus, vary exercises or add professional vision therapy. And one key troubleshooting tip: if blur increases, double vision, or pain occurs, stop reductions and seek immediate eye care. Safety first, always.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.